h of x is continuous. So since look at the definition was if and only if. You see, I need to give a new function f1 which satisfies this condition and this condition. Correct? Hence, what can I say here? F and g was differentiable, तो f के लिए I'll be having एक f1, g के I'll be having a g1. They are continuous function and they can be written as f of x can be written as something like this, g of x can be written as something like this. मैंने क्या किया? I just added them. I am getting something about addition. वही मुझे प्रूव करना था. I wanted to find a new function, say h of x, such that f plus g equal to such that f plus g equal to f plus g of c plus x minus c into h of c. I got that function, and what is that function? That is f1 of x plus g1 of x. Now I need to check whether this h of x is continuous or not. How can I check that? Since your function f and g are continuous, so what can you say? Their addition is also continuous. That's it. Is that clear? So what can you say then? Means f plus g is differentiable, and what is f plus g dash? That is f1 plus g1. But f1 क्या था? f का डेरिवेटिव, and g1 क्या था? g का डेरिवेटिव. Let's see. It is f dash of c plus g dash of c. This is what you are having. Is that clear? I'll just give you one more proof. तुम लोग बताओ जो भी तुम लोग को अच्छा लगे. We can go ahead with that only. One more proof will be the previous one. जैसे हम लोग पहले प्रूफ करते थे. Write the definition of differentiability. Or f is differentiable at c. That means what? F dash of c is equal to what? Limit extending to c f of x minus f of c upon x minus c. Correct? G is differentiable at c. That means what? G dash of c will be equal to limit extending to c g of x minus g of c upon x minus c. Correct? What do I want to find? I want to check whether f plus g is differentiable. तो मुझे consider क्या करना पड़ेगा? To prove f plus g is differentiable at c, you should consider this. Consider this limit. Limit x tending to c f plus g of x minus f plus g of c and upon x minus c. If this limit exists, then we can say your function is differentiable at this point. Correct? Is that okay? Is that clear? Is this clear? मतलब मैंने कैसे start किया? I started with f is differentiable at c, so I can write this f dash of c equal to this. G is differentiable at c, that means I can write this g dash of c equal to this. Now to prove f plus g is differentiable, I need to prove this limit should exist. Correct? So is it easy to prove? What is f plus g of x? That is same as f of x plus g of x minus this is same as f of c minus g of c and divided by x minus c. Separate कर दो. This is limit extending to c. This will be f of x minus f of c upon x minus c plus g of x minus g of c upon x minus c. Is that okay? Are we done? If you put limit inside, this will be same as f dash of c plus g dash of c. Hence, what can you say? Hence, f plus g is differentiable and f plus g का डेरिवेटिव क्या आ रहा है at c, it is same as f dash of c plus g dash of c. So whatever is suitable for you, you can follow that method. ठीक है? So what do you think? Which one is easy? I think you may find this one easy because ये तुम लोग you are familiar with this thing. You are familiar with working with this. Yeah, so whatever you tell me. First of all, do you understand this? F plus g को हम लोगों ने कैसे प्रूव किया? The next thing is to prove alpha f is differentiable. How will you prove alpha f is differentiable? अगर तुम लोग ने वो f1 का डिफरेंशियल यूज किया तो यू हैव टू डिफाइन दैट f1 इक्वल टू अल्फा f डैश, और अगर ऐसा यूज किया देन यू जस्ट हैव टू कंसीडर दिस. कंसीडर what limit extending to c alpha f of x minus alpha f of c upon x minus c. What next? Can I take alpha outside? Yes. So if I take alpha outside, it will be alpha limit extending to c f of x minus f of c upon x minus c, which is same as f dash. So alpha f dash of c. Hence alpha f is differentiable. And what is alpha f का डेरिवेटिव at c? It is same as alpha f dash of c. ये भी हो गया. This is the second proof. Correct? Now first and second हुआ, then you should write a note. Can I say f and g, if f and g are differentiable, at x equal to c, can I say f minus g is also differentiable? Can I say f minus g is also differentiable? Yes, tell me. By using above two property. Yes, how can I see what to write? F is differentiable at x equal to c, and g is differentiable, so minus g is also differentiable, correct? By using previous theorem, alpha को मैं minus c लेता हूँ, and by using first theorem their addition will be also differentiable, that is f plus minus g is also differentiable at x equal to c, which is same as f minus g is differentiable at x equal to. Is that clear? Is that okay? Yes. What next? What is the next thing I need to prove? Third क्या था? Product ना? So we are given again f is differentiable, we are given g is differentiable. We want to prove f into g is differentiable at x equal to c. Consider क्या करना पड़ेगा मेरे को? Consider c, जो ये फर्स्ट पार्ट है वो मैं बार बार नहीं लिख रहा हूँ. सो या दिस वन, ये फर्स्ट पार्ट, तो यहाँ से तुम्हारा फर्स्ट चालू होता है. फर्स्ट, ये दोनों बार बार मैं यूज़ कर रहा हूँ. आई एम यूजिंग इट ऑल द टाइम. सो ये फर्स्ट का प्रूफ किया, ये सेकंड का प्रूफ हुआ. एंड कंसीडर थर्ड वन के लिए क्या कंसीडर करना पड़ेगा? लिमिट एक्सटेंडिंग टू सी, आई नीड टू प्रूव एफ इंटू जी ऑफ एक्स माइनस एफ इंटू जी ऑफ सी अपॉन एक्स माइनस सी. बट थिंक, अपने पास दिया क्या है? व्हाट वी आर गिवन विथ? वी आर गिवन विथ दिस थिंग, करेक्ट? वी वुड लाइक टू यूज दिस लिमिट. ये लिमिट यूज करना है एंड ये लिमिट यूज करना है. So try to think and tell me what should I do here. This thing is same as limit. If anyone have some idea, then tell me. This is f of x into g of x minus f of c into g of c, and that is divided by x minus c. What should I do? I want a limit which should include f of x minus f of c only. So what should I do? That is quite simple exercise if you see. I need a term जिसमें से I can write it as f of x minus f of c. So what should I do? I should add and subtract something. Can you tell me what should I add and subtract? Anyone? What should I add and subtract so that I should get this guy? Again, I should get something like this. I should get something like this. Tell me quickly. It is a easy exercise. See, here I am having f of x, here I am having g of x, correct? f of x के साथ क्या चाहिए? I need f of c. So मतलब g of x मुझे बाहर निकलना है. So I should add this guy, f of c into g of x. Is that clear? Look at this properly. Can I take g of x common? Then this will be of the form f of x minus f of c. That is what I wanted, correct? If I am subtracting this, then I have to add. Take some time and think whether it is correct or not. Whether this will be okay if I do this. Yes. Why am I doing this? Why am I taking this only? Because from here I can take g of x common. I'll be getting f of x minus f of c. My motto was this only. I wanted f of x minus f of c, correct? So let us do that. This is equal to limit x tending to c. I'll be taking g of x common. I'll be getting f of x minus f of c, and plus what should I take common from here? Yes. Can I take f of c common? Yes. So if you take f of c common, what you are having? You are having g of x minus g of c. Do you see हम लोग को proof मिल गया? Can somebody see the proof? We are done actually. We just have to separate the x minus c. If you separate it, it will be extending to c, g of x into f of x minus f of c upon x minus c, plus it will be f of c is a constant, so I don't care, and it will be g of x minus g of c, and that is divided by x minus c. Do you see the final answer? This is product of two limit. What is g of x? Limit put किया तो it will be g of c. What is this? F dash of c, correct? Yes, what is this? F of c. What is this? G dash of c. This is what you are supposed to prove, correct? UV rule दिख रहा है क्या? अगर UV rule जैसा लिखना है तो you should write like this: f of c, g dash of c plus g of c, f dash of c. Is that clear to you? Do you see the proof? Do you see the trick first of all? वो मतलब main वो है. Main is that only. Now I would can somebody tell me fourth कैसे proof करें? Same technique. To prove 1 upon f is differentiable. I am already given f of c is non-zero. I want to prove 1 upon f is differentiable at x equal to c. What should I consider? Limit x tending to c, बोलो, 1 upon f of x minus 1 upon f of c upon x minus c. This is what I should consider. Next time में 1 upon f of x क्या होता है? That is 1 upon f of x होता है. Minus this is 1 upon f of c होता है. And what is this? X minus c. Now tell me, how will you do this? This is a beautiful question. बोलो. Cross multiply करो. Yes, that is one thing I should do actually. और कुछ option ही नहीं है. If I cross multiply this क्या आएगा मुझे? I'll be having f of c minus f of x and divide by can I write in the denominator, that is f of x into f of c into x minus c. Do you see the proof, anyone? मुझे क्या चाहिए था? f of x minus f of c चाहिए था, but I am having f of c minus f of x. Can I take minus outside from here? If you take minus outside, you will be having limit x tending to c. It will be minus outside, it will be f of x minus f of c, correct, and divide by f of x into f of c into x minus c. Look at this thing. What is this? If you apply limit, what will you get? Limit का value क्या आएगा? Can somebody tell me? Numerator में you will be getting minus f dash of c, and denominator में क्या आएगा? x की जगह पे c, it will be f of c the whole square. Is that clear to you? Is the proof clear? यही proof करना था ना. Go back and see again if you don't get that. किधर गया भाई? Yeah, this one. You see, minus f dash of c upon f of c the whole square. So we have proved all the thing. Next will be note. Note क्या रहेगा? f and g are differentiable at x equal to c, and you are given, suppose g of c is non-zero. So can you see f upon g is also differentiable? And how will you do that? F is differentiable, g is differentiable, मतलब 1 upon g is also differentiable. Product, दोनों का product, f into 1 upon g. Correct? That means what? F upon g is differentiable. If somebody asks f upon g ठीक है differentiable है, what is the value? So कैसे निकालने का? f upon g का डेरिवेटिव कौन से पॉइंट पे एट c, इट इज सेम एज किसका किसका प्रोडक्ट है ये? f of x इंटू 1 अपॉन g of x का डेरिवेटिव एट c. UV rule. What is UV rule? F of x will be as it is. Sorry, that will be f of c. So that will be f of c as it is into, बोलो, 1 upon g of x का डेरिवेटिव एट c. g of x नहीं लिखना चाहिए था. I should write only f and g. This will be 1 upon g at c plus 1 upon g of c into f dash of c. Correct? This is the definition, correct? u derivative of v plus v derivative of u. u का derivative was easy. But 1 upon g dash क्या आता है? By using previous theorem. एक बार फिर से लिखता हूँ मैं. दिस इज एफ ऑफ सी इंटू 1 अपॉन जी डैश का वैल्यू क्या आएगा? माइनस जी डैश ऑफ सी अपॉन जी ऑफ सी द होल स्क्वायर. ये है, एंड यहाँ पे प्लस क्या मिला है तुमको? यू आर जस्ट हैविंग एफ डैश ऑफ सी अपॉन जी डैश ऑफ सी, एफ डैश ऑफ सी अपॉन जी ऑफ सी. करेक्ट? सो कैन आई मेक डिनोमिनेटर सेम? यहाँ पे जी ऑफ सी स्क्वायर है, यहाँ पे जी ऑफ सी है. So multiply g of c, so I can write directly ऐसा, मतलब पहले ये टर्म लिखता हूँ, I can write f dash of c. नहीं, ऐसा लिखता हूँ मैं, g of c into f dash of c minus f of c into g dash of c upon g of c the whole square. Do you see u by v का फॉर्मूला यही था. u by v का डेरिवेटिव क्या होता है? v u dash minus u v dash upon v square. You are getting the same thing. बट अभी हम लोगों ने प्रूव किया, नॉट लाइक 12th स्टैंडर्ड में हम लोग ने जस्ट डेफिनेशन यूज़ किया था. u इंटू वी का डेफिनेशन, u by v का डेफिनेशन वी यूज देयर. यहाँ पे हम लोग ने प्रूव किया. एज आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू, हम लोग BSc में क्या करने वाले? वी आर गोइंग टू प्रूव एवरीथिंग जो भी तुम लोगों ने यूज़ किया है. We started with limit, then we did continuity, even we started from the real number system होता क्या है, addition subtraction क्या होता है, then we came to limit, then we came to continuity, then here we are at differentiability, and we have proved the algebra of differentiability. Can somebody tell me what will be the next task after this algebra? If you follow your 12th standard का topic, तो next क्या रहेगा इसके बाद? Just anyone? What do you think? What will be the next task we remaining? ये हो गया algebra. Differentiability में ये करने के बाद next क्या था? At least somebody should answer. मैंने एक बार बात भी किया है उसके बारे में. बोलो भाई, what is next? Next is chain rule. What is chain rule? Most important rule of differentiability. What is that chain rule? Let f, which is g from R, be differentiable, and say composition बनाना है तो I just need to make little bit. If f of g is containing j1, suppose, and j1 an interval, and if g, that is j1 to R, is differentiable at f of c, okay, then g composite f is differentiable at c with g composite f का डेरिवेटिव एट c क्या आएगा डेरिवेटिव? चेन रूल क्या होता है? g डैश ऑफ f ऑफ c इंटू f डैश ऑफ c. ओके, डू यू सी द चेन रूल का थोड़ा सा मैं एप्लीकेशन बताता हूँ. मतलब या सपोज यू आर हैविंग अ फंक्शन, भी मैं प्रूफ के लिए जगह छोड़ता हूँ थोड़ा सा. सपोज यू आर हैविंग अ फंक्शन से 2x + 7 रेज टू 11 एंड यू वांट टू फाइंड डिफरेंशियबिलिटी ऑफ दिस. अभी क्या करेंगे इसका डिफरेंशियल फाइंड? वी आर नॉट सपोज टू डू द 11 टाइप multiplication किया 11 times and do either use binomial expansion, and that will be very lengthy, correct? So we can use chain rule. chain rule क्या बोलता है? I'll be writing it as composition of two function. So मतलब डेरिवेटिव क्या आएगा इसका? dy by dx डेरिवेटिव ऑफ, पहले consider this thing as x, so it is x raised to 11 ऐसा कंसिडर करो. what will be डेरिवेटिव? यहाँ पे लिखता हूँ मैं, g composite f का डेरिवेटिव क्या आएगा? will be g dash of f of x into f dash of x. What do you mean by that? पहले g का डेरिवेटिव निकालो, कंसीडर द इनर पार्ट एज x. सो इसका डेरिवेटिव क्या आएगा? x रेज टू n का डेरिवेटिव विल बी 11 इंटू 2x प्लस 7 रेज टू 11 माइनस 1. याद है ना x रेज टू n का फॉर्मूला, 10th स्टैंडर्ड डेरिवेटिव इनटू व्हाट एल्स आई वांट, जो भी अंदर फंक्शन है उसका डेरिवेटिव f dash of x, that is derivative of 2x plus 7, which is same as 2, correct? So answer will be 22 times 2x plus 7 raised to 10. You see, chain rule makes our life so easy, otherwise it was quite difficult to do this. Not difficult actually, it will be lengthy, that's it. Yes, so in the next class we'll do the proof of this chain rule. Okay, now there will be some homework for you. Homework. The first one, find the derivative of the following function. Find f dash of x. The first one is f of x equal to x raised to n. Second one is f of x equal to e raised to x. Third one is f of x equal to log x. I am not asking formula, हाँ डायरेक्ट आंसर नहीं चाहिए. I need proof. f dash of x का वैल्यू कैसे आया. You can use the definition I have given to you. log x हो गया and क्या sin cos tan quad भी ले लेते हैं. ये हो गया. अदर्स आर इजी. tan cot sec tan क्या होता है. इट इज जस्ट डिवीजन अपॉन साइन अपॉन कॉस का डिवीजन है. तो अगर साइन और कॉस का डेरिवेटिव पता है तो यू कैन डू दैट. सेम सेक एक्स क्या रहेगा 1 अपॉन कॉस. तो कॉस का डेरिवेटिव पता है तो यू कैन डू दैट. सेम. और क्या बचा. हाँ इज दैट दिस इज इनफ. so this will be a homework for you. Just find the derivative of this 5 functions. You may take this as assignment for you guys. Is that okay? You may use any of the rule जो भी तुमको इतने definition दिए. Go through the lecture notes and recording if you want and follow the same thing and try to prove. Okay? In the next class we'll discuss this. We'll prove this chain rule. Okay then. Thank you so much everyone.